Well, today I'm taking a break from the RC stuff. The sun has come out, the blizzard is gone for a bit, and it's time to install some bike parts on my fat bike slash adventure bike. So I just got the shim that I need, and well, in this box is a dropper post. Gotta unwrap it. I ordered it from Aliexpress. Right now, all our bike shops in town are ski resort or ski shops, and they're too overwhelmed to deal with bikes right now. So I had to order some stuff. All right, let's see what this looks like. Well, it came packed really well. I ordered it 2.5 weeks ago. All right, there's the dropper post in all of its glory. That feels a little heavy. All right, let's take the Uber Light carbon seat post off. Now we pop the shim off. My post, I believe, is 31.6, and I needed a 27.2 shim. So let's drop it in right there. Seems to fit swell. Now I gotta take the seat off. I gotta say, I am going to take a pretty good weight penalty. Probably feels close to a pound, and that's not even with the seat on. Or the bike light. The bike lights are nice when you pedal around on the snow so the snowmobiles can see you. That's a safety tip. I just about have the seat installed. It's pretty easy. It's just one bolt. You just kind of line it up. You want the handle facing the same way as your saddle. For the adventure bike, this is going to be very useful. For a snow bike, it's probably not useful, but there are times when you fall into some soft snow and you can't, and you get your butt hooked up on the saddle. So it's nice to drop it down just a little bit to get a start, and you can pop it back up. That's where I see the one use for this. But there is a weight penalty for sure if you're a weight weenie. So I kind of got it installed. I'll have to adjust it once I get it on there for sure. But let's slide it in. It goes in pretty well. I'm short, so I can get it down in there. All right, I'm gonna snug up the bolt just a bit, get it adjusted. Need a 4, not a 5. Oh, come on, don't move on. All right, that was pretty easy. Now I just gotta snug it up. So it does look like it has 3 settings. A middle. And then all the way. It seems to work pretty well. Pretty responsive. So far I am gonna give it an A. I'm just gonna do some fine adjustments, and then we are gonna go take it out for a test. All right, I gotta go test this thing. All right, this is one reason why I like this dropper post for the snow. I could drop it down and get on easier since it's a little soft on the side. All right, let's go ride. What a storm. Going for a little fat bike ride. Testing out my new dropper seat post. There's a lot of snow. No, cars can't see me, so I better look both ways and put this phone away. Beautiful day in the neighborhood, Mr. Rogers. Sun's out, and there's tons of drinking water and stuff to play on. My goodness, they got the bridge plowed. I'm gonna be able to get across the other side without crossing the highway. Oh, oh, I might need some spikes. This just slid out. Drifted that sucker. Oh. All right, I'm gonna put my phone away and ride. Looks like the snowcat just went out and grew some fresh cord. Hopefully it's set up enough to ride. If not, I will just cruise the town. Post tolling is not good. It's too soft for post tolling. But my tires are air down enough, so I am able to ride. Well, this is fantastic. Thanks to the Sierra cement, I'm able to ride this fresh groomer, and I've never experienced that before. Usually when I get to it, it's post holed to death. But I do gotta stay out of the middle of the track where the snowcat doesn't pack it with its tracks, so it's softer in the middle. Alright, I'm glad I got out, even though I'm pretty tired and should go to sleep.